LLC Doncho Credit Tips, LLC family. Today, man, I'm going to be giving you guys the structured credit profile blueprint for 2025. So make sure you watch this all the way and pay attention to it so you can understand how you need to structure your credit profile and win in 2025 with your credit. So the three main things that you want to focus on will be revolving accounts, installment accounts, and you want aged accounts, which I'll get into later in the video. So essentially, revolving accounts just mean you have access to credit cards or line of credits. And with your installment accounts, you have such things as mortgages, auto loans, or student loans, right? And installment accounts are basically loans that you have a set payment every month. And essentially, mortgages and auto loans look really good on your credit profile, and lenders love to use that to gauge your credit worthiness. So definitely, if you have an aged account with an auto loan or a mortgage report on your credit profile, you can use that to your advantage, because they love to see that on your credit profile when they are going through a credit process of getting you a credit product. And to add on to the trade lines, you do have to have a few primary accounts in your name. So I'm gonna give you guys 3 primary accounts that you can go put in your name today and have reporting on your next credit profile. And that would be Kickoff, MeetAva, and Magnum. And Magnum will give you loan history, but at high comparable credit. They go up towards 30,000. So LLC Doncho Credit Tips, as you know, subscribe to raise your credit score. I have 3 links in the bio now, so be sure, if you want access to free game to hit your phone daily, join my Facebook group, which is my Wealth Builders chat. And if you're on Instagram, my broadcast channel link is in the description as well. Be gone.